Step 4. Registering as an Amazon seller. It's time to officially join the Amazon Marketplace. In this step, I'll guide you through the registration process, step by step. First, go to Seller Central and click Sign Up to begin the process. Choose the marketplace where you want to sell, for example, Amazon US, UK, or Europe. You can expand later. You'll need to provide your business name and address, verify your identity with a government ID, and enter your bank account details for payments. Complete the tax interview even if you're outside the US and set up your payment methods so Amazon can send you earnings. Finally, Amazon will review your documents and send you an approval email. Once approved, you can log in and start listing products. Up next, Step 5. Individual versus professional account. Now that your account is set up, it's time to choose the right account type for your business.